Hi guys, this is Wonderwall by Oasis. Absolute bang of a tune, one of those must-plays if you play guitar. Here we go. Okay, 4 chords. First chord, you will know half of it. It's E minor. So you put your first finger on the A string, fret 2, your middle finger just below it on the D string, so that's your E minor shape, both in fret 2, and then you place on your third finger and your pinky on the last 2 strings of your guitar. So that's on the B and the E. Here it is, nice and close. First finger, second string down, second finger, third string down, third finger on the B string and pinky underneath. Try and get these guys not on the left hand side, but over in the right hand side. There's a bit of a stretch going on. Can you see in between the 2 pairs of fingers, in this gap in the middle? That's what you want to try and achieve. Make sure this is on properly from the very start, because these guys will stay on throughout the whole chord progression. Okay, so the next chord is middle finger comes off and it goes up to fret number 3. So that's making a G chord, and what you can do is you can just move this first finger along a tad to make it slightly more comfortable. These guys have stayed on, so we've gone from E minor 7 with our middle finger coming off up to here, and our first finger, whoa, filling that gap there. Here's your G chord. Next chord's super easy. We just take our middle finger and place it down onto the G string. That's fret number 2 and the 3rd string up from the ground, E, B, G. Just those, and again, these guys have stayed on. So we're going to strum from the D string downwards for this chord. Okay, both of the previous chords were all of the strings. This time, just from the D string downwards. That's D sus4. Perfect. Then place your first finger over the top, so you're just placing it on the D string there, fret 2, and this time you strum from the A string down. That's all we need to get back to the start. Just lift off your first 2 fingers, up 1 and back onto the starting chord, E minor 7. I'll take you through the 4 chords. Here we go, from the E string, middle finger to the top, first finger a long one. When I say a long one, not into the next fret, just along a tad to fill that gap. Place it just before that metal strip there. Middle finger, G, G2. From the D string downwards. There we go. And then the first finger comes back on to the D string, and this time from the A string and down. Okay, awesome. So the best thing to do next is just to cycle through these chords and get used to the changes. So we've got E to G, D sus4, and it's like an A7 sus chord there, an A sus from the A string. Okay, good thing to do as well is to count 4 beats from each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and back to the start. 2, 3, lift off on 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, good stuff. Once you can do that, we can then start the strumming. Okay, so strumming is good fun. I'm just gonna see if I can focus there. There we go, that's better. So we're gonna strum. Now, how do we do this? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 big down strums there. 1, 2, 3. So that's all going downwards. 1, 2, 3. Down, up, down, up. That's how I remember it. So we got 1, 2, 3. Then it's another, then it's down, up, down, up. So the 1, 2, 3 are all on the downstroke. Then we're going to add another downstroke, but this is kind of connected to the next part. Down, up, down, up. That's just going back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up. And again, 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up. Try and play along with me. And 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up. Awesome stuff. On the up of that, the last up, we're going to take our middle finger off. So we have this. 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's come off, and we're going to head to our G chord and play down, 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 up. Okay, so in the G chord we have down, 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 up. So that's 3 downstrokes, and then quite a quick upstroke there on the offbeat. Down, 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 up. And you can see on the upstroke, the last up of the chord, I've released my 2 fingers. That gets them ready. So your last upstroke is really just playing the kind of high up strings there, the E, the B, and the G. Here we go. Down, 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 up. All together, from the start, we have 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, tricky, but not impossible. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Beautiful. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, off, down, 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 up. Great stuff. Here we go. Middle finger goes down to the G number 2. This bit's nice and easy. 4 down strums. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so make sure you're playing from the D string down, so that's our D sus4. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Okay, so what we have now is an upstroke. Okay, so it comes in quite quickly after our last 4th down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. So it kind of flicks in there with the wrist a bit, and you place on at the same time your first finger above your second. That gives us the 4th chord and our last chord of the progression. Here we go from the chord before, the D sus. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. And we placed on the first finger for our up stroke. Okay, so now we add another up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up. Now this second up could be viewed as part of the next group of strumming, which is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'll do that again. Here we go. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Little pause. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You just have to keep this strumming hand going. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And 1, and 2, and 3, and up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, one more time from the D sus. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you can see I've released the chord, the 2 fingers again. I've released that on the last up. There's a bit of a pattern occurring there, which kind of means on the last one there's a change going on. Up and back into our starting chord. Here it is 2 times around. 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Wonderwall, part 1 by Oasis. Once you get that down, let me know, and part 2 will be on its way. Good luck.